Not sure if you have hardwood or laminate? Stick around. We're going to show you a couple of ways to identify which type you have. And if you stick around, we're going to have a little bonus showing you how to pull up carpet so you can see what's underneath. Maybe there's a hidden gem. Maybe it's just subfloor. If you have hardwood, the hardwood's going to have a continuous grain. It's going to go through the entire piece of wood from the front to the back. It's going to have a non-repeating pattern. It's going to look like this when it's cut. It's going to sound mellow and solid when you click on it with a quarter. If it's mounted on your floor, I know you can't see this, but it's going to sound like a dull thud. This is pre-finished. This is unfinished. They're the same thing. The only difference is the pre-finished hardwood has a stain and polyurethane coating applied to it from the factory so that it's uniform and the color matches all the way through. However, you will not see repeating patterns when you're looking at solid hardwood. If you look across a floor and you see the same lines over and over and over again between planks, it's not solid hardwood. Solid hardwood is always going to be random pattern. When you're looking for solid hardwood, you're going to want to pull the register up if you can, or get to where you can see the door jamb or a transition strip and see that it's one solid piece of wood from top to bottom, and the grains go all the way through like so. The next one, engineered hardwood. It's real hardwood on top, so it has a thin layer of hardwood glued to plywood. So if you can see right here, the brown layer is solid hardwood glued to the top of plywood, making it look like a sandwich of wood. When you click on it, it has a slightly hollow, solid, hollow sound. It's going to sound a lot like hardwood, but it's going to be a little bit more clicky and a little hollow sounding. So it's not going to have that thud. Just to compare the two, hardwood, engineered hardwood, so you can know the difference. Laminate is a sticker stuck on top of MDF board. Looks like particle board on top. It's probably going to have a 4 or 6, probably a maximum of 8 plank pattern recognition. So if you look around the room, you're just going to see the same planks over and over and over again. And it sounds very clicky, very hollow, and very cheap when you tap on it with a quarter. LVP, or luxury vinyl plank, or LVT, luxury vinyl tile if it's in tile form. It's extruded, so it has a solid rubber core with the same type of sticker and wear layer as laminate, but it's on a surface that is flexible and not as rigid, so it tends to last longer, and it also is waterproof where laminate is not. So this is going to have much more of a solid plasticky sound to it. It's going to be soft to the touch, flexible, and warmer on your feet than the other types of flooring. Those are the 4 wood types of flooring that are most common in a house. There are other types of floors, obviously. The most common, of course, carpet. Don't really need to go over that. Doesn't make any noise when you click on it. Sheet vinyl, flexible. It's a picture. It's supposed to look like tile. Sometimes it looks like hardwood. Definitely not either one. Does make noise, but I don't think you need this to find out if that's what it is. And then in your kitchen, in your bathroom, in your foyer, maybe in a basement room, you're going to have ceramic tile. It's going to be hard, solid. It's going to have grout lines, and it's always going to be cold to the touch unless it's heated. Make sure if you have any questions about anything that we talked about today, that you put a comment below. And if you need help identifying a floor at your house, let me know. I'd love to help any way that I can. Hey, thanks for sticking around. As a bonus, using these simple tools that you have sitting around your house, I'm going to show you how to see what's underneath your carpet. Could be some really nice hardwood. Let's find a closet, pick a corner, and talk about how to check it. Pretty simple. Take regular old slip joint pliers, grab the carpet, pull from the corner, pull it back in a triangle shape, like so. Grab this, pull it back. You can see this one, it's just regular old subfloor, MDF. Now we're going to put the pad back where it goes, lay the carpet back out, take the putty knife, push the carpet back in the space between the baseboard and the carpet. And just like that, Your wife will never know you were trying to spend money. That's another video brought to you by Your Home Made Easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.